Hey guys, it's Alex. We're going to be checking out an Apple Watch band from our buddies at Ringke. This time not a case from Ringke, like one of these, which is one of my favorites, the camo. We're going to be checking out their new leather watch band, which they offered for a Samsung watch or an Apple Watch. I have an Apple Watch. So here we go. We're going to put this thing on. This is just the normal basic black sport band, kind of lame, boring. So here we go. Let's slap this on. I think this would look better with like a stainless steel or maybe like a space black. Definitely not just a plain Jane. This is just your plain Jane space gray aluminum Apple Watch. So let's put this thing on. So really simple. It says Italian leather on it. It's got all your branding. Now actually this will be a nice thing to my band arsenal. It'll just go with all my other bands, and I'll probably actually use this one a lot because I actually need a leather band. So here we go. I usually like to wear it a little bit loose, so we'll throw it in and see how it feels. Now that really feels good on my wrist. Now it's leather, so you're definitely gonna have to like get it to like bend into shape a little bit, bend it, maybe sort of try and get it worn out a little bit, like bend it a little and stuff, and put some creases in it maybe just to get it to fit a little bit better, because obviously it's leather. It's got to get worn in a little bit. You gotta like sort of get it molded to your wrist, because it is leather. It's like not just like one of these plain Jane sport bands that's like you're gonna have to actually, that these just mold to your wrist right away as I throw it right over there. So let's get rid of that stupid band. So as I said, this is Italian leather, so it's real leather and it feels really nice on my wrist. Now your wrist definitely might get like some moisture underneath, just because it is leather, obviously. Now I definitely wouldn't swim with a leather band like this. Obviously it's a leather band, you want to take good care of it. It's overall a really nice band. Definitely worth it. I would definitely buy this. Links to it are down in the description below. Now, definitely recommend this. I'd get this over the Apple one. So much cheaper, so much easier to get. I believe it's $35, if I'm mistaken. So check the description down below for the actual price. So I'll have all the links down in the description below. So that's it for this review. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace.